So I hope you have understood the full chapter.
Yes, sir. But I have some doubts.
Okay, I will clear all the doubts with the help. I will also share with our friends. Okay.
Okay.
So today we are going to learn for class 6, chapter number 3, chapter number 3, motions of Earth. So I have so many doubts which will be cleared with me, and I will also share with you. So let's start. So please clear your first doubt.
What is orbital plane?
What is the orbital plane? A plane formed by the orbit is known as the orbital plane. I will repeat it again. A, a orbital plane means a plane made up of orbit is known as orbital plane. So please clear the next
Circle
doubt.
of illusion.
What,
Circle of illusion.
what is a circle of illusion? Circle of illusion means it divides the day and night. Is known as the circle of illumination. I will repeat it again. Circle of illumination means the circle of illumination means it divides the day and night. So please clear your next doubt.
Earth Day.
What is the Earth Day? So I will give the example. As usually in a school, there are so many periods. So there are also the Earth Day. Earth Day means the Earth period. The period of the Earth is known as the Earth Day. So please, you ask your next doubt.
What are the two names of the Earth's motion?
What name the two types of motion of the Earth? The two types of motion of the Earth is there are two types of motion totally. They are rotation and revolution. I will explain you in detail with the help of my all balls. Okay, rotation means the it in one steady it moves like this. Revolution means it moves in whole orbit. Is known as the revolution, and rotation means in only in one steady it moves. This is the rotation. So please ask your next question.
Why do seasons change?
Why do seasons change? So this also I will help you with the balls. Okay. The sun is full of heat, so I will take the red ball. So this is our earth, and this is our sun. So what was the question? Can you repeat it again?
Why do seasons change?
Why do seasons change? So half of the earth is with the sun. With the sun, it is attached. And when it rotates, this part came. After it rotated, this part came. So when the half of the part is with the sun, in that day, in that month or year, that is very hot. And when it revolves like this, and the seasons change, and the half of the earth here it will be cold, and here it will be hot. So it in this way the seasons change. So please ask your next question.
What is the shape of the Earth's orbit?
What is the shape of the earth's orbit? Answer. So what is the shape of the earth orbit? So the shape of the earth's orbit is elliptical. The shape of the earth's orbit, not earth. You know that our whole solar system has an orbit. So every orbit is in a spherical shape. I will repeat it again, spherical shape. So please ask your next question or doubt.
When does the Christmas is celebrated in Australia?
Oh, when is Christmas celebrated in Australia? You know that Australia is a very popular country. So every day, every person think that in whole world there is Christmas celebrated in only winter. No, in Christmas is celebrated in Australia is in summer. They celebrate Christmas in summer. So please ask your next question.
What is eclipse?
What is it?
Eclipse.
Oh, what is an equinox? Equinox means the 21 March and 23rd September. Please remember the date. 21st March and 23rd September. The direct rays of the sun. The direct rays of the sun falls on the equator. direct rays of the sun fall on the equator. And second point is and no, not any poles are tilted. No, any poles are not tilted in this method. So please ask your next question.
What is a leap year?
What is a leap year? Next question. So leap year. The leap year means the leap year has 366 days. It comes in every 4 years. It comes at the span of 4 years. So I'll give the example. So I'll give the example. Every day, everyone tells that only 365 days. Only 365 days are in the earth, but in every span of year, there are 366 days. 1 upon 4. Why they are telling 1 upon 4? 365 days, 1 upon 4. But why they tell like this? Because every 4 years, the 6 hours is saved in a day. Then it completes a day. That 6 hours is added to the 6 hours is added to February. 6 hours is added to February. And instead of 28 days in the February, there are 29 days. This is only reason because of leap year there are 366 days. So this is the leap year. Please ask your next question.
What would happen if the earth did not rotate?
Okay. They tell that what would happen if the earth do not rotate. Okay, I will tell it. So this is a sun which is very hot with hot gases. If what happened, the earth do not rotate. The sun is a steady and it binds all the planets, and that's why all the planets move in their orbit. And I will tell that if the half earth and this is a sun, if it will not rotate, it is very steady. Then what happened? The half of the earth will be very hot and burn, and half of the earth will be full of cold, and it will very difficult to stay and to support life, and it will only moving like this. Before it moves like this, it rotate also. But this time it will not rotate, then only half of the earth will be heat and half of the earth will be cold. If it rotate, so our full earth is warm, very warm, and we are able to survive. So please ask your next question.
Why do the areas near the poles receive the heat?
Why do areas near the poles receive less heat? Because the you think that the earth rays comes directly horizontal, directly vertical. You're absolutely wrong. It comes in slanting. So that's why the earth near the poles gets less heat. So please complete your next doubt.
Why does only half of the earth's surface gets light from the sun at a time?
Okay. This is the sun. So in this half of the earth. Now it's 12 midnight. So it rotates in 24 hours. But in 6 hours only it will come, and this will move like this, and the half of the earth will be heat. So what happened? At that time it will be morning. So this is the answer. So please do your next question.
What is the difference between revolution and rotation?
Okay. What is the difference between the rotation and revolution? No, okay. This is a rotation means it moves only like this. Rotation means it moves like this only, like this. And revolution means it moves in orbit like this, whole orbit. It is known as the rotation contains days and night, and revolution contains seasons. And rotation takes 24 hours to complete a rotation, and revolution contain 365 days, means a year, to complete his full a circle, means one revolution. So please ask your next question. So please ask.
So can you give me a short note on rotation?
Oh, what is the short note on rotation? That is not big rotation. That is not big also. It rotation means same only. So this was our video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe our channel education, and also please click on the bell icon to get all the notifications in your phone. So please save from coronavirus. Bye bye. So see you in the next video.